Welcome back to my channel, traders. In this video I want to show you guys how I used $17 to make $880, and also I'll show you guys how to stack accounts and flip accounts successfully. We made withdrawal of $800, then we were left with $70. From that $70 we used the $70 to make over $1,000. In the next video, I'll show you guys how I turned the $70 to $1,100. So watch the video to the end, subscribe, share the video, and like the video. Let's go, guys. All right, guys. So you can see the profit that is running right now. I was seeing $200. I was seeing $200 with $17. All right. Yeah. So this is our entry. You can see our entry right there, and our SO is quite above the our entry. So since I'm risking this $17, I'm not afraid. Okay, I don't want to move my SL. I don't want to put my SL because I'm just risking this $17. So this is the mindset you need to have as a trader, as a forex trader, because you can never be too sure. So just be certain that okay, a specific amount of money, this money you're risking this money, and if it goes against you, you're losing this amount of money. So right here, I'm risking $17. That's why you're seeing I don't put any SL. If it comes against me, that's fine. But I'll just be sure if it goes down to my TP level where I'm targeting to take profits, where you see this red line here, that is around this zone I'm targeting. So, but I'll take profits above that zone. I might take profits above that zone depending on the pressure. Okay, depending on the pressure, I could take profit around this level. Yeah, I must take profits above this level somewhere here. All right. So I'm just hoping market will give us exactly what we want. Like you saw, I've given this signal to my VIP. So right here, I want to show you guys my reason for this trade. We When you're trading VIX 25, you must be very hold on. So when you're trading VIX 25 1S, you must be very smart, very flexible. You must redefine your entry perfectly well so that once you jump into the market does not come against you again. Okay, it doesn't come back to your entry. So look at my entry on the 5 minutes. I did this entry on the 5 minutes time frame, and see since after that moment, even if we check on the 1 minute time frame, you realize that market did not move back to that above that entry again because of my strategy. Okay, with my strategy, you can make a nice sniper entry where market will find it very difficult to go back to that your entry again. You can see from that zone, market started dropping and there was no pullback to that level again. So right now we are running good profit, guys. We're running with over $200 with $17. Okay, so I'll show you guys my reason for this trade. I always do. So let me delete this first. Okay, so we check on the 1 hour. Let's not go far. This is a downtrend because you remember what I've been showing you guys. I keep showing you guys this stuff. You need to know this one first of all, the market structure. This is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low and lower high. You might think this is a higher high. Why is market moving to this point? But nah, that's still a downtrend. This is still a downtrend. Okay, this is still a downtrend. It's very valid. Still very valid. All right, so after doing all that and realize that market is in a strong downtrend, all right, then I need to look for a pressure. You can see we have this massive pressure around this level. You can see the rejection, first and second rejections. Okay, so that confirms my entry that this is strong zone on this chart. All right, then if you move back again, you see that market has been reversing around this level. Market has been reversing around this level. Okay, so this confirm my bias that market could go down again this time, because no matter how good you are, trading forex trading is probability, whether it's 100% high probability or low probability. Probability is probability. So you can see now that this level has been serving as a strong zone, support or resistance before. So that's why I decided to sell from that very zone this time around. and we are in deep profit, guys. So you can see this over $200 running with $17. So this stuff is not about capital. It's not capital problem. It's a strategy problem. It's a strategy problem, a psychological problem. Okay, if you have a good strategy, a complete training system that has that help fix up your psychology and your risk management and every other thing, trust me, you are profitable. Nothing gonna stop you. Nothing gonna stop you. Okay, you need the right mindset to become successful. So now we have that confirmation, downtrend, rejection, um, horizontal line, horizontal level there, which is a strong zone. Then my entry is right there. My entry on the 5 minutes time frame. I made a very nice entry after a clear confirmation. A clear confirmation. My students, they are aware of this. All right. After clear confirmation, you see market is dropping. So my SL, the one I've given to my people, the SL is up to this point, around this level here, around this level here. And we I gave TP1. TP1 is somewhere here, I guess. TP1 is not really far from here. TP1 will be somewhere around this level. Okay. Then my TP2 all the way down to where I'm targeting as my final TP zone. Okay, which my target TP2 is somewhere here. Right. So that's it, guys. This is something you do every day and you get used to it, you master it. Someone told you trading is a scam. That person did not stay or listen to his or mentor, or maybe he has never enrolled for any classes before, or before the person came here on YouTube to watch 1 or 2 videos and he feels he has um he's supposed to know how to trade, but it's not like that. This took me a while. Okay, it took me a while before I could figure out. But in just a month, you'll be able to do what I'm doing. If you are really serious with the old stuff, you'll be able to do what I'm doing. So that's simple. Okay, that's simple. It's a very simple strategy, guys. It's a simple strategy, guys. Let's check the Telegram again. Okay, so my one of my guys just closed. One of my VIP, one of my VIPs just closed position. She just closed her positions with just $24. She's panicking. I don't know why she's afraid. Just close uh position. Okay, she just joined us. Just join us, and at least she's in good profits, right? Making an entry, you must be sure you check your margin, okay? That you don't over leverage your trading account. That's it. How to stack. That's just how to stack, okay? And though there are some other things you need to put into consideration when you're stacking, when you want to flip an account, it's not it's a little deal, but when once you know it for real. Once you know it for real. So that'll be all for now, guys. Smash that like button if you find this video helpful. Share this video with your friends, drop some good comments. Don't forget to check the description box to join the free Telegram channel for updates, free signals. Yesterday I dropped a free signal yesterday for free signals so that you could use that to grow your accounts. Even the currency traders can also join the free signal platform because I'm giving currency signals currently. Okay, that'll be all for now. Yesterday we killed gold. We are blessed.